Good morning, students. Welcome to Standard 5, subject English, Unit 4, a big surprise. Children, what do you mean by a surprise? A surprise means an unexpected event, fact, or shock, right? Children, look at the picture on the screen. Children, it is a poster. Let's read it. All are welcome. Agri-based products exhibition. Date 28/8/2016. Venue Government Primary School, Rangapur. Products to be exhibited: vegetables, fruits, flowers. Timings 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Organized by Agriculture Department of TS. TS means Telangana State, Nampally, Hyderabad. And children, now answer the following questions. Children, what is the poster about? What is the poster about? This poster is about an exhibition on agri-based products, which is held on 28/8/2016 at Government Primary School, Rangapur. Second question, who has issued the poster? And the answer is the poster has been issued by Agriculture Department of Telangana State. Children, now I will tell you about Lalita and a family. Listen carefully, children. Lalita, a little girl, her elder sister, Kavita, her brother, and her parents lived happily in a small town. Children, let's see what happened one fine day when Lalita came home from school. Lalita came from school. She put her school bag. She put her school bag, put means kept, in the cupboard. Her mother was busy in the kitchen. Busy means occupied with work. Children, in the evening, Lalita came back from school. Then she put her school bag in the cupboard and saw her mother was occupied with work in the kitchen. Lalita searched for her father. Amma, where is Nana? She asked her mother. In the garden, replied her mother. Lalita ran to the garden. Lalita, children listen. Lalita looked for her father and asked her mother, Mummy, where is daddy? Where her father was. Then mother answered that her father was in the garden. As soon as she heard that her father was in the garden, Lalita ran to the garden. Oh, Nana, you are here. Yes, dear. Come on. Nana, why are you digging the soil? I want to sow some seeds. Sow means put, replied her father. Great. What seeds will you sow now? Brinjal, lady's finger, beans, many other seeds. And the summary is Lalita saw her father in the garden and asked him what he was doing there. Why was he digging? Digging means cultivating, tilling the soil. And what seeds would be sowed means put in. Then her daddy said that he wanted to sow some seeds like brinjal, lady's finger, beans, and many other. Oh, Nana, I like tomatoes. Do you have tomato seeds also? Yes, I know you like tomatoes. So I have brought them more. Nana, please give me those seeds. I will sow them. Sure, why not? Lalita then said, Daddy, I like tomatoes very much. Did you have tomato seeds also? Lalita's father said that I knew you like tomatoes. That is why I had brought them more. Then Lalita said, Daddy, would you please give me tomato seeds so that I would sow them? Her daddy said, why not? Take it. But Nana, when will tomatoes grow? Asked Lalita. Wait. First, sow tomato seeds here. Then, said Lalita, pour water regularly. Then, the seeds will grow into plants. Next, in a few months, you will see many tomatoes in our garden. After taking the tomato seeds, Lalita asked her daddy, when would tomatoes grow? Then her daddy said to Lalita to first sow the seeds there, then to pour water regularly, means every day. And after few days, the seeds would grow into plants. And then in a few months, you would see many tomatoes in our garden. Wonderful, Nana. Then I'll have tomato curry, tomato pickle, tomato soup, clapped Lalita. After listening to the last line, what is the last line, children? In a few months, you will see many tomatoes in our garden. Lalita felt very happy. Why? Because she likes tomatoes very much and said, that's great, Daddy, wonderful, Nana. Then I would have tomato curry, tomato pickle, tomato soup. By saying, she clapped her hands. Children, once again I'll read this para for you. Listen carefully. Unit 4, a big surprise. Lalita came from the school. She put her school bag in the cupboard. Her mother was busy in the kitchen. Lalita searched for her father. Amma, where is Nana? She asked her mother. In the garden, replied her mother. Lalita ran to the garden. Oh, Nana, you are there. Yes, dear. Come on. Nana, why are you digging the soil? I want to sow some seeds, replied her father. Great. What seeds will you sow now? Brinjal, lady's finger, beans, many other seeds. Oh, Nana, I like tomatoes. Do you have tomato seeds also? Yes, I know you like tomatoes. So I have brought them more. Nana, Nana, please give me tomato seeds. I will sow them. Sure, why not? But Nana, when will tomatoes grow? Asked Lalita. Wait. First, sow tomato seeds here. Then, said Lalita, pour water regularly. Then, the seeds will grow into plants. Next, in a few months, you will see many tomatoes in our garden. Wonderful, Nana. Then I'll have tomato curry, tomato pickle, tomato soup. Clapped Lalita. Children, now answer the following questions. Why was the father digging the soil? Children, listen to the question. Why was the father, means Lalita's father, digging the soil? The answer is, can you guess? The father was digging the soil to sow some seeds. Second question, which seeds was the father going to sow? The father was going to sow the seeds of brinjal, lady's finger, beans, and many other seeds. Third one, why did Lalita want to sow tomato seeds? Lalita wanted to sow tomato seeds as she liked tomatoes very much. Next, A, reading a big surprise. Children, listen carefully. Lalita, a 10-year-old girl, sowed, means put in, some tomato seeds in the middle of the kitchen garden. The seeds grew into the little plants. After a few days, she pulled every weed. Weed means unwanted plants, and never allowed an insect or a worm near her pet plants. When the days were hot, she poured water to the plants at night also. She planted flowers all around her plot to make it beautiful. The flowers also grew and blossomed, means produced flower, but the tomato plants were not so promising, except one plant. That plant was a beautiful one. The leaves were green, and the tiny green tomatoes began to show, means began to display. Lalita and her sister Kavita, who is 14, watered the plants daily. A very beautiful large tomato grew in the plant. Children, and the summary is, listen to the summary. Lalita, a 10-year-old girl, sowed some tomato seeds in the kitchen garden, and they grew into little plants after a few days. She looked after the plants very well. She removed all the unwanted plants and did not allow any insect or worm to grow to go near her pet plant. And when the days were hot, she watered the plants at night also. Children, Lalita planted flower plants also, and they grew and blossomed within the short period of time. Of all the tomato plants she had planted, only one plant grew very well. The tiny green tomatoes began to appear. Lalita and her sister Kavita watered the plants daily. A very large, beautiful tomato grew in the plant, children. Next, one day, Lalita's brother said, I am going to take my chickens to the district exhibition. Children, exhibition. It is a place where the best things are displayed. I know they will win the first prize. Lalita at once thought of a large tomato and ran to her sister and said, Kavita, do people take tomatoes to the exhibitions? She asked. Of course they do. There is always a prize for the best and the biggest one grown around here. Why don't you take your big tomato? Oh, could I? Lalita jumped and clapped. Why not? Kavita said. Father says it is the finest tomato he has ever seen. You can take it to the exhibition. Don't tell anyone. When judges announce the first prize to Miss Lalita, they will be surprised. Okay, said Lalita. One day, children, listen to the summary. One day, Lalita's brother said that he would take his chickens to the district exhibition. And he also told that he knew that his chickens would win the first prize. Then Lalita told her sister Kavita about her large tomato and asked whether people take tomatoes to exhibition. Then Kavita said, why not? Of course they do. There is always a prize for the best and the biggest one grown around, and advised Lalita to display that large tomato in the district exhibition. She also told Lalita not to tell anyone that she was going to take her big tomato to the exhibition. And when her tomato would get the first prize, her parents and brother would be surprised. Then Lalita said, done. Okay, I won't tell anyone. Kavita wrote a card that read, tomato raised by Lalita, aged 10. I hope they won't think the tomato is 10 years old. Lalita laughed. We will carry it in a pretty basket. Pretty means beautiful, Kavita said. Later, when they went to the garden to pick the tomato, they were shocked. Children, Kavita, Lalita's sister, wrote a card. What was written on the card? Tomato raised by Lalita, aged 10. Lalita laughed by reading the line written on the card, saying she hoped that the people wouldn't think that the tomato was 10 years old. Then Kavita said they would carry the big tomato in a pretty, means beautiful basket. After some time, they, Lalita and her sister Kavita, went to the garden to pick the tomato. Both were shocked, upset. Tell me why? Now, children, look at the questions in the yellow box. First one, why was Lalita happy? Why was Lalita happy? Sorry, why was Lalita happy? Yes, Lalita was happy when her sister Kavita said that her large beautiful tomato would be judged the first in the district exhibition. Lalita was happy when her sister Kavita said that her large beautiful tomato would be judged the first in the district exhibition. Next question, children. What happened in the garden? What happened in the garden? After her father, mother, and brother had gone to the exhibition, Lalita and Kavita went to the garden to pick the tomato, right? But they were shocked to find that the tomato was missed. Then next question, why were Kavita and her sister shocked? Kavita and her sister were shocked because their large beautiful tomato, which they wanted to display in the exhibition, was missing. Next, the large beautiful tomato was missing. Children, they were shocked because their large beautiful tomato was missing. Oh, someone has stolen my beautiful tomato, cried Lalita. Kavita and Lalita were not happy. Lalita was weeping all the way. Weeping means crying all the way to the exhibition grounds. There, they saw pets and vegetables in the display. They could not believe their eyes. Among other tomatoes was Lalita's big beauty. Look, Kavita, that's my tomato, she said with joy. Lalita was weeping, crying all the way to the exhibition grounds. When they entered the hall, where the pets and vegetables were displayed, they were surprised to find their large tomato there. And children, they felt very happy by seeing their large tomato there. Next. The girls found places near their parents. The judges began to award prizes. Coming to tomatoes, a judge picked Lalita's tomato and said, "This big beauty wins the first prize." It was raised by Miss Lalita, aged 10. Will Miss Lalita step forward? There were claps as Lalita received her blue ribbon. She said, "Thank you." Then she came to her father and said, "Father, how did my tomato get here?" "I brought it. I wanted to surprise you." He laughed. Lalita and Kavita found places near their parents, right, children? Then judges began to announce the prizes. Then the judges said, coming to tomatoes, the first prize is for the big beautiful tomato raised by Miss Lalita, age 10. Lalita received her blue ribbon and thanked the judges. Then she came to her father and said, "Daddy, how did my tomato get here? Get there?" Her daddy laughed and said, "He brought it there and wanted to surprise her." The judge said, "Can anyone suggest a name for this big, beautiful tomato?" Children, one of the judges then asked to suggest a name for that big, beautiful tomato. Lalita spoke up. The big surprise. All the family members laughed happily. Then Lalita said, "The big surprise. Can anyone tell me why did she say or why did she suggest that name, children?" Wait, I'll tell you. Lalita and Kavita wanted to surprise their father by winning the first prize, isn't it? They were surprised to see their tomato in the exhibition. Their father wanted to surprise them, and so he brought the tomato to the exhibition without telling anyone. Thus, the tomato became a big surprise for them. Hence, Lalita suggested the name The Big Surprise for her big tomato. Children, all the family members laughed wholeheartedly, means a lot. Children, that's all for today. Be happy, be bright, and be you. Thank you, children. God bless.